In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make boxes on Notion. Notion, as many of you will know, is an incredibly versatile tool perfect for organizing and structuring information. One of its great features is the ability to create visually appealing content by using boxes to neatly segment data, tasks, or notes. So, let's dive right into how you can create these useful boxes with ease. First, you'll want to open Notion on your device and navigate to the page where you want these boxes to appear. If you're creating a new page, you can do so by clicking Add a Page on the sidebar. Once your page is ready, hover over the page you're working on and notice the small plus button that appears along the left-hand side. Click this to add a new block, and in the menu that appears, select Callout from the options. Callouts are perfect for boxes because they feature a distinct border and background color, helping your information stand out. When you insert a callout, you'll see a light bulb icon and a shaded background. You can replace the icon by clicking on it, which allows you to choose any emoji or image that suits the content of your box. This is a great way to personalize your boxes and make them immediately recognizable at a glance. If you want to display text within your box, simply click inside the callout block and type your text. You can fully customize this to include any kind of text formatting, be it bold, italic, or underlined. This helps in highlighting important pieces of information. You can also add links if you need to reference other Notion pages or external websites. To enhance the visual impact or to categorize different kinds of content, adjust the color of your callout box. Click on the 6-dot menu on the left-hand side of the callout, and from the menu that drops down, select either color to change the text color or background to adjust the background shading of your box. This is particularly helpful if you're managing complex information that benefits from color coding. When you need to expand your callout block with additional features like checklists or subpages, remember you can just press enter to add more blocks directly below it. This flexibility ensures that your Notion page remains dynamic and adaptable to different types of content. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can create boxes on Notion that not only organize your data effectively, but also make your pages visually appealing and easy to navigate. Spend some time experimenting with these features, and you'll find that boxes can greatly enhance the clarity and functionality of your Notion workspace. In future tutorials, we'll explore even more of what Notion can offer, so be sure to stay tuned. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.